This recipe calls for some water in addition to the oil, 1 egg. We're going to crack the egg. And then of course we'll mix that up. So you're going to stir until, or beat with a blender, whatever you decide to use, a mixer or your arm. I'm going to use a little elbow grease, get some of my exercise while I'm staying home here. There are many variations to this brownie mix that you can use. Your imagination is endless. So some of the ones that I've also used are walnut oil with chopped up walnuts. That makes a nice addition to the brownie mix instead of the blood orange. We've also tried basil olive oil, chipotle if you're into the Mexican chocolate. That's a great combination too. So after you have it completely mixed, we're going to pour it into a prepared pan. One of the ways I like to prepare a brownie pan is to line it with foil so that when you take it out, you can lift the whole brownie batch out and cut them nice and square. Then we're going to put this into a 325-degree oven for 35 minutes. I'll catch you when they're coming out of the oven. Brownies are ready. The olive oil's in there, the water, and the egg. And now we're going to slide those into the oven. Just before I put them in, I also grated a little orange peel on top of it. So the brownies are cut. They're looking pretty good. I think I'll call the family in a minute. There, I've got them all cut. I think it's time to call those kids. The brownies are ready!
Yay! Delicious!
It was a hit.